I'm just speechless. Hello and welcome to another video. As you can see, today I'm not in the forest and I'm not hiking to anywhere. It's just some beautiful valleys on the slopes of Kruška Gora. Kruška Gora ridge is over there. I will show you in a minute. And this is basically the end of the ridge. And this place called Serbian Toscana. And now I do understand why. This is an amazing location with amazing shapes and relief and all that stuff. It looks pretty much as Toscana's landscapes. A lot of small fields on the slopes of the hills, just amazing. Now I got some interesting light. A lot of things is going on in the sky. So this is the landscape photography jackpot. Amazing location, amazing light and amazing sky in the same moment. Don't be jealous. Thank you for visiting. And actually this is one of the most comfortable locations I ever been to, because look at this table. It's very comfortable to open your backpack, to get your camera, to check if you forget SD cards, but I didn't forget, fortunately. I would love to say, like, I will use this particular gear for this particular location. But unfortunately, this is the only gear I have. This is the kit lens 18 to 55, nothing special, circular polarizer on my X-T3. Basically that's it, nothing special. I will use tripod, not because it's needed or just because I have one. So let's go and take some amazing shots. So what I'm trying to do is, this is the very straightforward composition. I just trying to take a photo of these amazing fields on the hills. For sure I have to take two exposures, one for shadows, one exposure for highlights for sky. And after all I will have to stitch them in Photoshop. But this location is not only about hills and fields, there is something else, something interesting. Sorry for interruption. If you are really interested in landscape photography, as I am, please consider to subscribe to my channel. or at least hit the like button. I really appreciate that. And now back to the show. This is the most strange subject I ever seen in Serbia. This is sculpture. I believe the name of this sculpture is Give Me a Hand. And it stays in the middle of nowhere. This is not the my usual style of photography, but when you got subject like this in your location, you definitely have to take a shot, right? Because why hell not?
This sculpture is really called Hold My Hand. Its author, Dusan Savkovic, is a Serbian artist. He created this sculpture in 2020 from metal garbage collected in the Fruška Gora National Park to draw attention to the issue of littering of natural forests.
You know what time is it? It's time for panorama. So finally we got amazing ray of setting sun. I realized that those hands are literally made of wire net. I never saw anything so weird in terms of subject itself and location it stays. And those things together makes this place so interesting. It's just incredible. Basically, so why not to use it, right? Ta-dum, 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 ta-dum.